Hey guys, this is Miss Kelsey here at the Frank Johnson Recreation Center, and you're tuning into another awesome episode of Cooking with Kids. And today we're going to be making frozen yogurt granola cups. So make sure you sanitize your areas. We're using fruit today. Wash your fruit and make sure those hands are clean. Let's get started. So for this recipe, you'll need a yogurt of your choice. I chose a strawberry yogurt. You'll need honey, granola of your choice. If you don't have granola, you can use crushed up cereal, cupcake cups, a dry measuring cup, 1 cup, a bowl to mix our granola mixture in, and I have a cupcake pan, but you can just use the cupcake cups, but I use this to stay organized. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is mix our bottom part of the frozen yogurt cup. We're going to actually put our cupcake cups in our muffin pan or cupcake pan. Make sure it sits deep in the pan. Well, it'll go down with the more food we put in it, but we want to try and make it as deep as possible and make sure it's in there straight. Don't put it in crooked. I have my 1 tablespoon of butter. Sorry, I didn't mention that earlier. I'm just going to drop it in the bowl. We need 1 cup of granola. This is a 1/2 cup, so I'm gonna do 2 of these. 1 tablespoon of honey. And I'm just gonna place it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Now, once your butter melts, mix it all together. And if your butter isn't melting within the 30 seconds, that's fine. Just place it on 10 more second intervals until it's fully melted. Then you're gonna combine all of the ingredients. Now I have a tablespoon. I'm gonna use that to place a little bit of the granola at the bottom. Fully cover the bottom. I'm gonna show you one. So next we're gonna take our yogurt, 2 scoops for each cup. I think that's a good amount. Now we don't need to see the granola, so that's how you know you have enough. Don't be shy with the yogurt. I got a big container. Now here's the fun part. We're gonna top our cups with whatever fruit you think you want. And then we're gonna freeze them for 3 hours. We want them to be frozen so that we can pop it out. It looks like muffins, honestly. Blueberry muffins. Okay guys, so it's been 3 hours, and what we're gonna do now is see if our yogurt cups are frozen. Can you see And if it doesn't really come out, just kind of like bend the pan and one should pop out. That's so cute. Tell me what you guys think. It's really, really good. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of Cooking with Kids. Tune in next Wednesday at 11 a.m. We're gonna be making something so good and delicious and easy. And we look forward to seeing you. Again, my name is Miss Kelsey here at the Frank Johnson Recreation Center, where we are family. Have a good one.